we are in the bus.
We are.
We are.
We are.
What are your expectations?
Vesuvio?
Yes.
I suppose it should be high.
It should be high and hot. Or cold.
And windy.
Windy, hot and cold, and all together. Okay, so you can take a bus for 380.
Cash only.
Cash only, yes. Mind, cash only. Check the timetable and not to miss the last bus from Vesuvio. In general, there are several roads to climb Vesuvius. Some of them take a couple of hours, while others take half of a day. If you decide to take a bus from Pompeii, you will be driven not to the foot of the mountain, but right at the beginning of the path to the crater, which significantly saves time and energy. Such a beautiful view and such a long way to go. We are over the clouds. On cloud 9. This is how it looks like. The cloud 9. Strip teasing. No. On Vesuvius. So we are in the clouds officially. We're over the clouds, on top of clouds.
Ira, your emotions, your feelings, your expectations.
Da, 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 da. The height of Mount Vesuvius varies due to eruptions altering its summit, but it typically stands around 1,200 meters above sea level. Its crater, known as the Gran Cono, is approximately 600 meters in diameter. So it definitely gets a bit chilly as you go up, so take like some layers. It's not very sunny, as you can see. I'm not sure if it's an advantage today, but the views are amazing. The views are just marvelous. Just take your time to take photos, even if it's a bit physically exhausting. Ah! Limoncello. Probably the most popular question would be, is it even safe to climb a volcano? Well, Mount Vesuvius is considered one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world because of its active status and its proximity to densely populated areas. While it's currently dormant, it is still capable of erupting. Despite its dangerous nature, Mount Vesuvius is a popular tourist destination attracting thousands of visitors each year. if you are on top of a volcano and you think that the weather is bad, just stick around for longer because it is likely to change. So apparently it erupted in 1944, not very long ago. Mount Vesuvius is a stratovolcano characterized by its steep slopes and conical shape. It is composed of layers of lava, ash, and volcanic rocks, which means you can find pretty cool rocks or buy them directly there. She's looking for stones and she's chilling. The rocks found on Mount Vesuvius are predominantly volcanic in origin, resulting from the solidification and accumulation of lava. Make sure to check the timetable and not to miss the last bus back to Pompeii. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.